So, how many of you are afraid of a brow palette? This is basically like Botox in a little palette, but a lot cheaper. I got this palette in March. This is a brunette palette, and I'm going to quickly show you how to make it look like you've had a little brow lift with a £30 palette. So, it couldn't be easier. Do not be afraid. Yes, pencils can seem easier, but this is so much better value. So you've got painting by numbers for your eyebrows. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is a wax, 4 is a highlighter, and 3 just helps you correct any mistakes and put a little bit of extra colour in. Okay, so easy as this. Now I'm going to apply it with my Brow Artist brush, which has an angled end and a flat end. And the stroke of the pressure I'm going to use is super light. It's just going to be little dabs. Okay, so starting with number 1, I'm just going to dab the brush in. Just dab, don't press, don't rub. And I've already brushed my eyebrows. I'm going to go from the edge up into the middle. So again, I'm just dabbing it onto the hairs. I don't want to overdo it. This is going to be a fairly natural look. And I want to go all the way up into the arch. So if you've got your brows shaped properly, you're going to be able to go straight up from here, straight through the pupil, and then from the edge of the nose through to the end. Okay, I do my own eyebrows, which I probably would get told off for, but habit of a lifetime. Okay, so again, light strokes through to the end. We just want to fill in a little bit of colour. Then I'm going to take number 2. Again, dab very lightly, and for me, I like to start from the bottom corner down here in really gentle strokes up to here, and then try and fill in the front bit. Again, I'm just going to dab it very gently and follow that line out. I'm not going to use a big long stroke because that's going to make it look like they're drawn on. So I'm just going to dab it. But the main thing is to get that little arch up there. Okay, once that's done, I'm going to take the other end. You can see I've put some pink on there, and I'm going to smudge that pink into the underneath. And that again is going to make my brow look a bit more lifted. Now, I like to use my finger in number 4. It's just a little bit of highlight, and then I'll dab that on into there as well. Okay, you can also take the same tiny amount of product and put it as a highlighter in there. You know how much I like the multi-use products. Okay, and once that's done, take the flat end of the brush into the wax, and not very much on there, gently with little upward strokes. You may need to reapply. I try to put a little bit at a time just to spread it out. Okay, and there we go. Quick and easy raised eyebrows. Cheaper than Botox and not as scary as you think. Thanks for watching.